For centuries, humanity has sought out the wonders of the world, monuments, landscapes, and structures that captivate the imagination. But beyond Earth, in the vast expanse of space, lie even greater marvels. From colossal storms that have raged for centuries to moons with underground oceans, our solar system is home to some of the most extraordinary and breathtaking phenomena ever discovered. Imagine a world where volcanoes erupt with molten sulfur, spewing fire into the vacuum of space. Picture an ice-covered moon with an ocean so deep it could hide life beneath its frozen shell. What about a storm so large that it could swallow Earth several times over? These are not the fantasies of science fiction. They are real places orbiting the same sun as Earth, waiting to be explored. In this journey, we will take you across the solar system to uncover its 7 greatest wonders. Places that defy imagination, challenge science, and hold the potential to rewrite our understanding of the cosmos. Prepare for an adventure beyond Earth. These are the 7 wonders of the solar system. Keycap 1: Ancient Observations. The first planetary discoveries. Before the invention of telescopes, early civilizations tracked the movements of the planets with the naked eye. The Babylonians, Greeks, and Chinese recorded the strange patterns of Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn, trying to understand their purpose. The Greeks believed the planets were gods moving across the sky. The Maya civilization developed highly advanced astronomical charts, accurately predicting planetary movements. The Romans named the planets after their deities: Mars, Venus, Jupiter, and beyond. But these early observations only scratched the surface. The true scale and complexity of the solar system remained a mystery. Keycap 2: The invention of the telescope, a new cosmic perspective. Everything changed in 1609 when Galileo Galilei pointed his telescope at the planets. He saw craters on the moon, proving that celestial bodies were not perfect spheres. He discovered Jupiter's 4 largest moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, revealing that other planets had their own systems. He observed Saturn's rings, though he didn't yet understand what they were. His discoveries shattered the old beliefs that Earth was the center of the universe. The planets were worlds of their own, and the mysteries they held were beyond imagination. Keycap 3: The Space Age, the first close-up views of other worlds. For centuries, astronomers could only guess what lay on the surfaces of these distant planets. But with the rise of the space age, everything changed. 1965, NASA's Mariner 4 sent back the first ever close-up images of Mars, revealing a barren, cratered world. 1979, the Voyager probes flew past Jupiter and Saturn, capturing stunning images of swirling storms and intricate ring systems. 2005, the Cassini mission explored Saturn's moons, discovering liquid methane lakes on Titan and icy geysers erupting from Enceladus. These missions transformed our knowledge of the solar system. What once seemed like distant dots of light were now diverse and alien worlds, each more strange and wonderful than the last. Keycap 4: Today's exploration, unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos. Today, humanity stands at the edge of a new era of space exploration. The Perseverance rover is searching for signs of ancient life on Mars. The James Webb Space Telescope is scanning the atmospheres of distant exoplanets. Future missions are preparing to send humans to the Moon and Mars, paving the way for deeper space travel. But the solar system is still full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Some places seem so extreme, so otherworldly, that they feel like something out of science fiction. These are the 7 wonders of the solar system. Places so incredible that they redefine what we know about planets, moons, and the very nature of the universe. Olympus Mons, the tallest volcano in the solar system, Mars. Height: 22 kilometers, 13.6 miles, nearly 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Width: 600 kilometers, 373 miles, covering an area larger than France. Age: over 1 billion years old. Olympus Mons is the largest volcano and one of the most mysterious features on Mars. Scientists believe it was formed by millions of years of eruptions, with lava slowly building up its massive structure. But what makes Olympus Mons truly strange is its lack of erosion, suggesting that it may have been active in the recent geological past. Could it erupt again one day? If this volcano were on Earth, it would reach the stratosphere, piercing through the sky. Keycap 2, the Great Red Spot, Jupiter's eternal storm. Size: over 16,000 kilometers, 10,000 miles across, large enough to fit Earth inside it. Age: at least 350 years old, possibly much longer. Windspeed: over 400 mph, 644 km per uur. This gigantic storm has been raging on Jupiter for centuries. Scientists believe it was first observed in the 1600s, and yet it still remains one of the biggest mysteries of the solar system. Recent studies suggest that the Great Red Spot is shrinking, but no one knows if it will ever disappear completely. A hurricane on Earth may last a few weeks, but on Jupiter, storms can last for generations. Keycap 3, the Rings of Saturn, the most spectacular rings in space. Diameter: over 280,000 kilometers, 174,000 miles, almost the distance from Earth to the Moon. Thickness: only about 10 meters, 33 feet, in some places. Composition: ice, rock, and dust particles. Saturn's rings are one of the most stunning features in our solar system. But their true origin remains a mystery. Were they formed from a shattered moon? Or are they the remnants of the early solar system? Some scientists predict that Saturn's rings may disappear in the next 100 million years as they slowly fall into the planet due to gravity. We may be living in a rare era where Saturn's rings still exist. Keycap 4 Io, the most volcanically active world, Jupiter's moon. Surface temperature: minus 130 degrees Celsius, minus 202 degrees Fahrenheit, yet covered in active lava flows. Volcanic plumes can reach heights of 500 kilometers, 310 miles. Tidal heating, caused by Jupiter's immense gravity stretching and compressing the moon's interior. Io is a world of fire and chaos. Its surface is constantly reshaped by lava lakes, rivers of molten rock, and powerful eruptions. Scientists believe Io's extreme volcanic activity could help us understand the early Earth, when our planet was still young and covered in lava. If there's a place in the solar system that resembles hell, it's Io. Keycap 5 Enceladus, the ice moon that may harbor life. Diameter: only 500 kilometers, 310 miles, yet one of the most exciting places in the solar system. Subsurface ocean, hidden beneath a thick layer of ice. Geysers: water plumes shoot into space, rich in organic materials. In 2005, NASA's Cassini spacecraft made a shocking discovery. Geysers erupting from Enceladus's south pole, spraying water vapor, ice, and complex organic molecules into space. This moon may hold the key to discovering extraterrestrial life. If life exists in its hidden oceans, it could reshape our understanding of the universe. Could Enceladus be our best chance at finding alien life? Keycap 6 Valles Marineris, the Grand Canyon of Mars. Length: over 4,000 kilometers, 2,500 miles, longer than the United States. Depth: up to 7 kilometers, 4.3 miles, deep, deeper than Earth's Grand Canyon. Formation: believed to be caused by tectonic activity and erosion. Valles Marineris is one of the largest canyon systems in the solar system. Scientists believe it formed billions of years ago, possibly due to ancient water flows or massive planetary stress fractures. If there was ever a river on Mars, it may have once flowed through Valles Marineris. Keycap 7 Titan, Saturn's moon with rivers, lakes, and rain. Size: larger than Mercury. Atmosphere: thick with methane and nitrogen. Weather system: it rains liquid methane, creating rivers and seas. Titan is the only other world in the solar system with liquid on its surface, but instead of water, it's liquid methane. Some scientists believe Titan's chemistry could support exotic forms of life, unlike anything found on Earth. Titan is an alien world, but it may also be a second Earth in disguise. The wonders of the solar system are not just ancient relics or distant mysteries. They are active, changing, and evolving before our very eyes. With each passing year, new missions uncover secrets that redefine our understanding of these extraordinary places. Keycap 1 Mars. The search for ancient life continues. NASA's Perseverance rover is currently exploring Jezero Crater, a region that may have once been a lake. It is collecting rock samples that could contain signs of ancient microbial life. These samples will be returned to Earth through the Mars Sample Return mission, planned for the 2030s. If Mars once had lakes and rivers, could it have also had life? But Mars is not just about the past. NASA and SpaceX plan to send humans to the Red Planet in the coming decades. Could Mars one day be humanity's second home? Keycap 2 Europa and Enceladus. The best places to search for alien life. Two of the most exciting moons in the solar system are Europa, Jupiter, and Enceladus, Saturn. Both contain hidden oceans beneath their ice shells. And where there is water, there could be life. NASA's Europa Clipper mission, launching in 2024, will fly past Europa dozens of times, scanning its surface for signs of biological activity. Scientists believe hydrothermal vents on Europa's ocean floor could provide the right conditions for life, similar to those found in Earth's deep-sea trenches. Enceladus's geysers contain complex organic molecules, meaning it has all the ingredients necessary for life. Future missions might send a robotic submarine to dive into its ocean and search for alien organisms. If life exists beyond Earth, these moons could be the key to finding it. Keycap 3 Titan, a moon with a methane ocean. NASA is planning an ambitious mission to Titan called Dragonfly. Launch 2027. Arrival 2034. Mission goal: explore Titan's lakes, dunes, and atmosphere using a flying rotorcraft. Titan is unlike any other moon. It has a thick atmosphere, rain, rivers, and lakes. But instead of water, it's all made of methane and ethane. Some scientists believe that Titan's chemistry could support an exotic form of life, completely different from anything on Earth. Could we find life in Titan's alien seas? Keycap for the future of human space exploration. Humanity's next great leap is to expand beyond Earth and explore other worlds firsthand. NASA's Artemis program aims to return humans to the moon by 2025, using it as a base for deeper space missions. SpaceX is developing Starship, a spacecraft designed for long-term missions to Mars and beyond. The Lunar Gateway, an orbiting moon station, will serve as a stepping stone for interplanetary travel. The wonders of the solar system are no longer just places to observe. They are destinations waiting to be explored. Keycap 5, could there be more wonders yet to be found? Even with all our discoveries, the solar system is still full of mysteries. Could there be a hidden ninth planet lurking in the outer solar system? What secrets are buried beneath the icy crust of Pluto? Could we one day terraform Mars, making it a habitable world? As technology advances, we will continue to uncover new and unimaginable wonders. What will the next great discovery be? From towering volcanoes to icy ocean worlds, from eternal storms to methane lakes, the solar system is filled with wonders beyond imagination. These places are not just distant, lifeless rocks. They are dynamic, active, and changing worlds, each telling the story of our cosmic past, present, and future. For centuries, we have gazed at the sky in wonder. And now, with powerful telescopes, robotic explorers, and soon, human missions beyond Earth, we are beginning to truly understand our place in the universe. But the journey has just begun. Will we one day walk on Mars and explore the depths of Valles Marineris? Will robotic submarines dive into the icy oceans of Europa and Enceladus to find alien life? Will we build cities on Titan, floating above its methane seas? The wonders of the solar system are not just places to observe. They are destinations waiting to be explored. And as long as we continue to reach for the stars, we will uncover even greater mysteries hidden in the cosmos.